Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to set up a meeting and send that to the recipient on email via Gmail using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Gmail. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad. Go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome. Click on this. Wait for that to load. Once it has loaded, go to the top right corner. Go to Gmail and then make sure that you are signed into the account. I now want to compose a brand new email. Before I even compile the email, I want to then go to the bottom right corner. Click on Setup a time to meet. Create a brand new event that will take me to a new subsection on the side. So let's add a title. Let's just call this title Meeting. And then let's now select the relevant date. This could be for Sunday the 25th of May. And this could be in the morning. Let's just say the meeting will start at 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Not all day. Does not repeat. That's correct. We can add the guest, which will be admin at ComputerScienceVideos.com. I am the organizer. And we can then also copy conference information, add a location, add description. Let's now click on save. Would you like to send invitation emails to Google Calendar guests? Yes, that's okay. So this itself has now added itself onto the email. So let's now increase the size of the email window. Reselect the recipient, which is admin at ComputerScienceVideos.com. Subject will be this is a meeting. Let's now go into the email and compile the email. Dear admin, please see the meeting below for the 25th of May 2025. Go one line beneath the meeting. Kind regards. Let's then insert the signature, a new signature, Computer Science Videos, and we can now send this to the admin. Let's now click on View Message. Dear admin, please see the meeting below for the 25th of May. And then we have the meeting here, which has also been added to our calendar. And has also been added to the recipient's calendar, as this is now a meeting through Google. We can therefore quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.